Today I came back to the park where I grew up, and honestly, it feels like stepping into memory. I remember running around here playing catch, laughing so much that my stomach hurt. Outside the park, my brothers and I used to play football and cricket until we were completely exhausted. And yeah, I definitely got my fair share of scrapes and bruises along the way. But every time injury just felt like proof that I was really living these moments. It's not about the memories, this place is really beautiful. The trees are huge, sunlight filters through the leaves, and the flowers along the path are brighter than I remember. You can hear birds singing, trying to catch attention, feel the breeze, it's calm, but also really alive. Walking around here, I realize it's not just a park from my childhood, it's a place that still makes you happy and reminds you to notice the little things. Some places just stick with you, and this one definitely does. There's a wide path all around the tank, so you can stroll along the edge or notice birds coming to splash and drink. There are benches here. I love how the tank doesn't feel out of the place. It fits so naturally with the green lawns, the flower beds, and the trees surrounding it. It really feels like the heart of the park. And the best part, it's the kind of a place where you can just slow down. You hear the soft sounds of water, kids laughing, leaves rustling. And it all comes together to make the park feel calm. The benches scattered around the park are perfectly placed for you to sit and soak in the view. You can watch kids running and playing on the lawns, enjoying the fresh air. Even the little elephant sport statue adds charm and playful touch. I noticed a little squirrel sitting right near the gate. It was just watching me quietly, but the moment it saw me coming closer, it started running in a hurry. It was so quick and playful, I couldn't help but laugh as it disappeared into the trees. Back then, I couldn't even touch the top of the swing, but now, standing here again, I can. It's funny how small things that seemed impossible in childhood can suddenly feel as easy as we grow. Coming back here brings a flood of memories, a reminder of how much we changed, and yet how some joys, like swinging as high as you can, never really go away. There are so many things that I like about this park. One of them is some birds were chirping loudly and flying around, hopping here and there, almost like they were trying to get my attention and find some food too. Watching them was really fun and made the park feel alive. Sometimes I just sit quietly and try to catch butterflies, watching them flutter around me. Those tiny moments were magical in a way only a child can feel. My friend Uncle lived nearby, and we used to spend hours together in this park. Sometimes it felt like a whole world shrunk down to just us, the swings, the trees, and our endless games. I sat on a quiet bench when a little bird came near me. It chirped and hopped, trying to get my attention. When I looked in a direction, it went that way too, as if it was following my eyes. For a short time, it felt like the bird and I shared a special moment together. It was amazing. At the far end of the park, I remember chasing squirrels. Not to hurt them, just to get close. They'd stop and stare at me like, "Really, you again?" Those moments were small, but to me, they felt like the biggest. Being back here makes me realize how simple happiness used to be. No phones, no stress, just swings, games, laughter, and nature all around. And maybe that's something I used to hold on to. If you're watching this, think about a place from your own childhood. Go back if you can, walk around, breathe in the memories, and let yourself smile again like you used to. Thanks for coming along with me today. It feels really, really good to be back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.